How to use the website DJBooth.live for line dance requests and visualization of workshop dances. Go to DJBooth.live and scroll down through the workshops that are listed till you find the event, and then click on that link. From there you'll see any workshop rooms, such as the 3 we have at Showstopper. Click on the room name for the dance requests. Once at your room, scroll down and find the link for requests. Click on this link. Enter your name, at least a first name, the name of the dance using the star as a wild card, and then choose a choreographer. Some dances will have several versions, and these will be listed in the drop-down when you start typing in the name of the dance in the dance name. Some dances will have multiple choreographers using that same dance name, and from there you'll select the choreographer. If you do not know the name of the choreographer, leave it blank.